Today, let us discuss important questions related to topic satellites, which are useful for various exams. The NAVIC is an independent regional navigation satellite system being developed by which country? Japan, Russia, India, France? The answer is India. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO developed the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System with its operational name of NAVIC Navigation with Indian constellation. Which of the following is an Earth observation satellite to be jointly launched by NASA and ISRO? RISAT, Kalpana, OceanSat, NISAR. The answer is NISAR. NISAR, a NASA ISRO synthetic aperture radar. It was jointly launched by NASA and ISRO. The first Indian communication satellite is Aryabhata, Apple, Mom, Rohini. The answer is Apple. Apple, Ariane passenger payload experiment. It was successfully launched by Ariane 1 from Kourou, French Guiana on the 19th of June 1981. Which of the following is a satellite-based augmentation system of India? Gagan, Jatan, Nag, Gagan Shakti. The answer is Gagan. GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation, Gagan, was developed to provide the best possible navigational services over the Indian FIR, Flight Information Region. Gagan was developed jointly by the Indian Space Research Organization and the Airports Authority of India. Where was the first experimental satellite telecommunication earth station set up in 1967 in India? Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Allahabad, Ahmedabad. The answer is Ahmedabad. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO set up its first experimental satellite telecommunication earth station in Ahmedabad. Which of the following satellites is India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory? INSAT, ASTROSAT, IRS, JUGNU. The answer is ASTROSAT. ASTROSAT studies star birth regions and high-energy processes in star systems lying beyond our galaxy. Name the first student satellite built by an Indian high school students team and launched by NASA. Pratham, Anusat, Kalamsat, SRMsat. The answer is Kalamsat, named after the former Indian president and rocket scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was launched into space as part of a suborbital test flight mission by NASA. The nanosatellite designed and developed by the IIT Kanpur for the purpose to provide data for agriculture and disaster monitoring was named as Jugnu, StudSat, Kalamsat, Anusat. The answer is Jugnu. Jugnu is a nanosatellite. Nanosatellites are loosely defined as any satellite weighing less than 10 kilograms. Which one of the following is not a launch vehicle technology? ASLV, PSLV, GSLV, MSLV. The answer is MSLV. MSLV is not a launch vehicle technology. Launch vehicles or launch systems are used to move spacecraft from Earth's surface into space. Some launch vehicles used by India include PSLV, ASLV, and GSLV. Name the center in India which is used for launching satellites. IceTrack, Northeast SAC, Barren Island, Wheeler Island. The answer is Wheeler Island, Odisha, now known as Dr. Abdul Kalam Island. Rocket launching stations in India. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, formed 1963, headquarters Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Satish Dhawan Space Center, founded 1971, located in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. What was the name of the first Indian satellite launched into orbit? Bhaskara, Rohini, Aryabhata, Kalpana. The answer is Aryabhata. Aryabhata launched on 19th April 1975. Launched by Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kapustin Yar, Russia. Which experimental satellite that was launched for the first time by ISRO in August 1979 from Satish Dhawan Center? INSAT 3DR, Rohini, Cartosat, Himawari 8. The answer is Rohini. Rohini is the experimental satellite that was launched for the first time by ISRO in August 1979 from Satish Dhawan Center, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following is not a navigation satellite system? BDS, Galileo, MEO, NAV-IC. The answer is MEO, Medium Earth Orbit. An Earth-centered orbit with an altitude above a low Earth orbit, LEO, and below a high Earth orbit, HEO, between 2,000 kilometers and 35,786 kilometers above sea level. What is the name of the world's smallest spacecraft launched by India? Sparkle, Star, Spring, Sprites. The answer is Sprites. Sprites is a fully functional spacecraft built on a single circuit board. Achieved low Earth orbit, contains solar panels, computers, sensors, and radios. It is created by the Breakthrough Starshot program. GSAT-11 is the heaviest satellite built by ISRO. LVM-3 is ISRO's heaviest rock. Satellite GSAT-12 was launched by PSLV-C. 17 from Sriharikota belongs to PICO, Meteorological Communication Nano. The answer is communication. Communication satellite is a wireless communication device in Earth's orbit that uses a transponder to send and receive data from Earth. In 2017, ISRO created a world record by launching how many satellites on a single rocket from Sriharikota, AP? 101, 114, 108, 104. The answer is 104. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, launched a world record on PSLV C-37, ISRO's polar satellite launch vehicle, which is the heaviest and most powerful communication satellite of India. GSAT-6, GSAT-11, IRN, SS-1D, Kalpana 1. The answer is GSAT-11. It was successfully launched on December 5th, 2018 from Kourou Launch Base, French Guiana, by Ariane 5 VA-246. ISRO's communication satellite GSAT-29 carried a high-resolution camera named as Geo Rakshak, Geo Eye, Third Eye, Geo Vision. The answer is Geo Eye. ISRO has successfully launched GSAT-29, geostationary satellite, communication satellite with a high-resolution camera named Geo Eye, through Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III GSLV Mk3, AIM, providing high-speed bandwidth to Village Resource Centers, VRC, in rural areas. India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle is GSLV, SLV-3, PSLV, ASLV. The answer is SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle is the first experimental flight in August 1979, was a failure. Which of the following is the first artificial satellite launched into space? Explorer 1, Sputnik 1, Apollo 11, Aryabhata. The answer is Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4th, 1957, marking the beginning of the space age. Which layer of the atmosphere do most satellites orbit? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is thermosphere. Most satellites orbit within the thermosphere, where the low air resistance makes it suitable for stable orbits. The International Space Station also orbits in this layer. Which of the following is an Earth observation satellite? SARAL INS-1A EuthSat Apple. The answer is SARAL. The satellite with Argos and Altica, SARAL, is a joint Indo-French satellite mission for oceanographic studies. SARAL performs altimetric measurements designed to study ocean circulation and sea surface elevation. Which component of a satellite is responsible for generating power? Thrusters, solar panels, antennas, heat shields. The answer is solar panels. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy to power the satellite's systems.